What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Stacking Surfer channel. Happy to have you here. Today we're going to do an unboxing of some gold and silver that I purchased from Empire Precious Metals. If you guys aren't familiar with Empire Precious Metals, it's a great channel to follow here on YouTube. Stormy's a good friend. We have an unboxing here. Look at this big, thick package. We're going to open this up right now, and we're going to take a look and see what's inside, because I actually do not remember what's inside. So this is going to be kind of fun. Oh, there's a lot in here, actually. Got a lot of stuff. Okay, so we're going to just set it all out here. And you can see Stormy does a very thorough job of packing. All right. So one of the things that I was able to do is Stormy had a little special on getting some empty Silver Eagle tubes. So I was able to get a couple of those that are like that, and then a couple of them in this shape here. So you can see Silver Eagle on there too. So those are great. It's always good to have good packages for it. So let's just take a look and see what we got here. And I really like this packaging because it keeps things good. Okay, so this is from Halloween, the Halloween auction he did. So you can take a look at that. This is a cool hand-poured Frankenstein, and it's 1.5 troy ounces, 3/9 fine silver. And that's just kind of a fun piece for me to display on my desk. So that's cool. We'll leave that there. What else we got here? Oh, this one's big. Oh, this is fun. So this is the Aztec calendar, and I'll show you in a minute here, but it's actually a stacker. So if you can kind of see inside there, the shadow, maybe a little bit hard to show you guys, but you can see there's some depth to it there. So these are set up that if you take them out of the capsule, you'll be able to stack multiple coins, and they'll fit right into those grooves. So this goes along with the Achilles shield, the Dagobah, if I'm saying that right, shield, as well as the St. Michael's shield, and then the Persona face, and they come out of South Korea. So this one's really fun, and I believe these are all 2 ounces, and they're stacker shields. So that's pretty cool. This one's not a shield per se; it's a calendar, but it is still pretty cool. All right, what else we got in here? All right, so we've got a elephant coin from Somalia. So 1 ounce, 4/9 fine silver, a little bit more pure than what we've looked at so far. And you can see the Republic of Somalia 2020. This is to complete my elephant collection. I believe I've got all the rest of them now. Just kind of a fun one to have. Oh, this. I knew this was coming, I just didn't know when it was coming. This is pretty cool. So we'll start off on this side here. All right, hopefully it'll focus okay for us. Not on my hand on the gold. Okay, so this is a 2022, so this just came out. This is 4/9 fine gold, 1 ounce. And it is a really cool dragon. Hopefully you can see it a little bit better there now with the focus. So that is pretty cool. So I like that one a lot. And you can see the other side of it here. All right, we got a couple more here, and then we are finished with this. Let's see if we can get that focus back. Okay. All right, so we got a couple more in here. right. So this is pretty cool. Let's see if we can get that to focus for us there. All right. So this is a dragon and a knight. I forget the actual name of this coin. But this is a 1 ounce coin from Ascension Island. Don't know where that is, but it's a cool coin nonetheless. Put that guy down there. And then the last one. And then the last one we've got is this Looney Tunes in the essay, Bugs Bunny. So it's the first coin of that series. I figured, hey, having it in here could be good if I decide to go send it off for grading. I'll have to look at the condition of it to see if it's in good enough shape for that. And here's the back of it. That's from Samoa, 2022. So that's pretty fun there. All right. Same with any of these auctions, you're gonna get some kind of a, fun stickers. So here's a little shout out to Stromy's channel with some fun stickers that came in holographic. That's great. All right, well, one thing I like to do anytime I'm getting gold and silver is I always like to test it, make sure it's pure. And we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick here. All right, so that one passed. That guy passed. All right, that's good. See if Little Frankenstein will work. Oh, Little Frankenstein passed too. That's always good. Let's get this Looney Tunes in here. That one passed as well. And let's check this guy out. Oh goodness. Looks like he's not gonna pass there. So when this happens, I know this is silver because of there is no way anybody's going to try to fake that right off the bat. These just barely came out. The sensor is not able to get up there with the weird shape of this. So this is one where I would go ahead and use my wand, and we'll do that in a second. And then we'll go ahead and do gold. So here's the gold dragon. All right, good. So that one passed too. So a pretty good haul for the month of October. There you go. So that's what I bought in October from Stromy. And anyway, excited for my next video. If you guys haven't already gone ahead, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I've got many more videos that'll be coming out. And also go ahead and hit the thumbs up if you liked it. Okay, so I want to weigh this. I'm curious to see if we're over 2 ounces. Go ahead and do it this way. Well, there you go. There's the answer. So we got 2 troy ounces of silver in here, and we've got some other metals. All right, well that's cool. Maybe that's to strengthen it with how detailed it is. So go ahead and take another look at that. Look at that. You can see it a little bit better in the light here now. See how that really pops. All right, and then we got the Aztec calendar. So we first tried that on the setting of 3 nines fine silver. It did not work, but I did find a setting that worked for it. So we're gonna go ahead and try this here right now. And it fits, so it's showing 90% silver. So I'm gonna have to look into that. These must have some other metals in it besides just silver. So 2 ounces of silver, maybe it's a little bit more than that.